All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful gray with black interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, roof racks. Only 15,000 miles in this vehicle. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks pretty darn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. Let me double check that. That's right, just a hairline under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Does have that with some paint off here, about 2-3 inches. That's a light scratch. And here's got another that would paint off about 3 to 4 inches itself. On the rear door, we got a little dent, about 2 inches. Other than that, we look pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on this one. Your tire thread is on the 730 seconds, above 4. There's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into his vehicle. Turn off for you guys. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Turn the lights here. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. AM FM CD player. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 15,912. Nice look at it. See any lights on or any issues there? Looks good. Cup holders and stuff. Looks good, guys. Good. Turn on the fog lights. Boom. Lights are on. Fog lights are on. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat with outlet sight. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents and rear AC controls, as you can see. Here's a nice shot of your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. It's a leather with suede type interior. Looks good. Coming around. Rear bumper. Let's have a dent here. About 3 to 4 inches right there. Other than that, the rest of it looks pretty good. There's a heavy scratch here. About 6 inches right there. The lift gate looks pretty good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There is a little power gate here. Turns down. Looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Actually, it's called that. It's got scuffing here, maybe. It's scuffing here. 3, 6, 10 or more. Heavy scratch, 10 or more. I'll call this whole thing coming from around here, going around 10 or more there. Quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Rear passenger rim does have some curbing here. I call it multiple just to engulf it all. The tire thread is over 730 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. This rear door looks pretty good. Here's your the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks nice. The door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Does have some curbing. Multiple. That's about it. Your tire thread here is under 730 seconds, above 4. Your lights are working. Vehicle is running. Things are good. Folks, once again, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 15,000 miles. If you got any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.